Hello everyone, I welcome you all to our channel Let's Learn Automation, and in this session we are going to see the further methods of string. In a previous session we have seen length to uppercase to lowercase equals and equals ignore case method. So let's continue the others method. So I will create a new class and will name it like program3 contains method. As this name suggests, so here this contain method is going to check that particular certain string of character or any character is present in the string or not, in the given string or not. So for example, we have declared the string str1 equals to, so this is our string. This will return the boolean value, boolean type of value. So here I will check str1 dot contains and am or not. So let's execute this, and here I am getting boolean value true. So yes, am is available. Let's copy this. Further I can check that space I and t is available or not. So if I check space it is available or not, let's run. Again this is true because that is available. But if I check the double space and it is available or not, so it is not available because before it there is a single space. So if I execute, then we got the false. So let's delete that, and so this will be false. Then I can also check that I is available or not. So here str1 dot contains, so we need to provide the input in a double quote, so it is also present, so that it will show the true value. So this is what the contains, which is going to check that is the particular string in a given string available or not. Okay, so this string is available or not, it is going to check the contain method. Then the next method like is empty. So this method is going to check string is empty, and again this will return boolean value. So let's define another string str2 equal to like wrong. So this str2 contains wrong, and str3 equals to nothing. So I will keep it as it is, and here I will check its str2 is empty, then str3 is empty. This shows the error. Why it shows the error? Because this is the local variable, and local variable needs to be initialized before its use, so that's why it's showing the error. And this is the local variable of this main method, so we need to initialize this with some value. So here I can initialize with the like this. Now if I check this, here I am getting false and true. So this is false because the str2 content are wrong and str3 contain nothing, or it is really empty. So that's why it is showing that this is empty and non-empty. So again it returns the boolean value. So this is true and it is false. Let's see the next method, charAt. So charAt. Now as the name of this method. So it will return the string at a particular index. If I use the string today, it's good day. So I return like this, and now I'll apply charAt. So and this return the string of given index. So its return type is string. So let's try to apply str dot charAt and for example 0. So remember one thing, whenever we are going to consider the string, or we'll take the example of string giver, so at that time the string content start or string index start from 0. So on a 0 index there is a t, then on first index there is o, then 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, like this. So if I'm going to check the charAt, so here it shows that on the 0th of index there is a t character. Then again I'm going to check. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Let's check on the 6th position. So here we are not getting anything. But you can see the space over here, because on a 6th position or a 6th index there is a space. So this is what the charAt is, which is going to return a single character at a particular index, or even we can say that return the character of given index. The next one is indexOf. It is going to return the string or character. So we can say that now if I declare the string, so str4, I can use str4. Here I will try to use the index of, so str4 dot index of, and here I will give the character like I will get the 7th. Okay, so I is on the 7th, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. On a 6 there is a space and I is on the 7th. Then let's check for the another one. So for example A. So A is over here, 0, 1, 2, 3. So let's execute this. There is A on the 3. And let's try to write down, this is 7th, this is 3rd. So this is one of the method, and there is one more method. You can see and last index of, last index of, this is index of and last index of. These are the two methods. So this index of method will return the index of first character. Okay, for example, if there is a multiple character available or multiple same character available, so here we can say that in a today's world there is a and this, and there is also a. So if we use the index of, then it will return the index of this one, and if we use the method like last index of, then it will return the index of last a. So if I use the last index of str4 dot last index of and same a character, then it will return the last index of a is 16. So, and now if I use the for o, so this is the first o and this is the last o, so I will get the same thing again. If I try to find the index of string for like index of and here I mentioned the is dx. So that is not possible because it only accepts the character value. So if I mouse over this, here we can see that return the index with the within this string of the first occurrence of the specified character. So it return the index of specified character, not the string. So you can say that this is not applicable. Now let's see the another method. So we have one method like starts with and ends with. It return, so this is going to return is that particular string contain, or is that particular string starts with any particular string or not, and its return type is boolean because it return the boolean value. Again, let's take a string str5. So str5 in a sysO statement, str5 starts with. So for example, if I use I, then this string starts with I, we know that. So if I try to execute this, I will get true. Now if I check that I double space is available, I single space is it start with I single space, I and single space. So yes, it started with I and single space. So we can mention the any string over here, that is also true. Here we can see that true. Now if I check this with the I am, okay, if I check with I am, so this is not start with I am, actually this is start with I space am. So if I run it, then I am getting the false over here. So this is true and this is false. So just like this, we have the ends with. So str5 dot ends with, is that string ends with dot or not? Then again, is that string ends with this, we can check. Again it will return the true. Again I check for like you can check like this. So if I copy this, if I use over here, and if I run it, then I am getting true, true, true. Everything is true because they are end with that particular string. So it is true. This also true. This also true. So this is what the starts with and ends with. So these are all the method. The remaining method we'll see in the next session. Thank you.